ESL students, it's Mr. Caesar. I'm back with you for another slideshow of speaking, reading, listening, and writing activities. Alrighty, so first things first is speaking. Looking at the picture, talking to a parent or a sibling. What do you see in the picture? What are the colors? What are the sounds that you might hear? Shapes. What are the feelings that you get from the picture? 2, what are the girls doing in the picture? Number 3, why do you think they are doing it? Number 4, what do you think they will do next? And number 5, who is the adult in the picture? All right, what we're going to do now is we're doing reading. So I picked out some sight words. So I'm going to run through them myself, and then I want you to rewind the video, and I want you to turn the sound off, and I want you to practice those words at least 3 times, okay? So if you could do that. All right, I'm going to go through them first. So say them with me. Ready? Black, yellow, the, he, on, white, and, out, of, are, to. Okay. Now, what I did was there are a few words in the story that I wanted to just bring your attention to. The word is spot. So it's not like a polka dot spot. This is a different kind of spot. You spot something by seeing it with your eyes. You spot it. Okay. The next one is float. Okay. Some things like float in the air, like this balloon. And the last part is coated. Our main character is a bumblebee, and he has that yellow sticky pollen coated on his legs. That means it's sticking to it, and there's a lot of it. Okay? All right, so the story is called The Pollen Delivery System. Now, we all know what delivery means. It means bring something to it. I hope you know that pollen is in a flower. It's that yellow sticky stuff in a flower. All right, so you should recognize a lot of those sight words that I just went over in the story, and I will help you with the harder words. So I want you to read with me. The black and yellow bee spots a daisy. He lands on the white petals. He starts to buzz and shake. Yellow dust floats out of the center of the daisy. The bee's legs are soon coated with the dust. Off to the next bloom. All right, I hope that you can draw what happened in the story about what happened to the bumblebee and what he or she is doing. All right, let me go back to present. Hold on one second. All right, next one we have our listening activity. So you need your pencil and your paper. And you can have crayons if you would like to color it in. If you don't, that's okay. There are some helpful words here that you can go back and look at if you need to. All right, so the story today has this little girl, and she kind of looks like Little Red Riding Hood. So in your paper, draw a little girl, okay, with their little hood on as best you can. And then now we're going to add to it. Okay, you ready? All right. Color the girl's hood red. Draw a dog with a dish of food on the right side of the girl. The girl fed the dog. Draw a bed in the lower left corner. Draw a rug between the bed and the girl. Draw a house in the upper left corner. Draw an apple tree in the upper right corner. Draw red apples on the tree. Draw a hill between the house and tree. Draw red apples on the hill. Color the rest of your picture. Write a sentence about the picture. I used a lot of words with the ED ending. I did red, fed, bed, and that's it, and red again. Okay, so see if you can sound out those words and draw about the little girl that's wearing a red hood. Okay, all right. Last things. Today's writing prompt is, would you rather have a pet cat or dog, and why? That's you have to pick one. So you can't say both. I know you attempted to say both, but you got to say one. So would you rather have a pet cat or dog, and why? So kindergartners, try to write 2 sentences. Try to make sure you have capital letters in those periods at the end of your sentences. Okay, and first graders, I want you to write at least 6 sentences. You're almost second graders now. You got to write more. Okay. So I hope you have fun, and I will make you another slide on what's today? Thursday. Alrighty. Bye.